All right, let's fix this. So we had some issues. I'm going to not worry about being able to modify the map, okay, on the review stage. So this one right here, I think it is better to just use a good application, My Maps by Google. We'll just use this because this already does everything we need. By the way, if you go to base map, you can select satellite, which makes this so useful. You can pinpoint exactly where you need to move something, unless there's trees or tall buildings in the way. But you can actually see, you can see the handholds right here where the cable would go. For example, this one, I believe that this one's supposed to go right here. And then I'll show you, like, go to big bad downtown over here. You know, it's like buildings in the way, you know, so you gotta kind of estimate where it is and whatnot. But this is an already great tool and it's free to use, so why replace it? And then when you're doing the mapping, there's another great tool right here. You just go find where you are. I'm gonna right click this. I mean, you're gonna be using your phone to do this anyway, but we put it dot right here. Actually, I don't even know how to use this. We do a new list, okay, our map, okay, and then we want to add this. So I honestly think this is more easier using the mobile application on your phone. Okay, let's add a place. Yeah. So let's just use the phone right here. So go to your maps here, and you literally just hold down and you get this little red dot right there, and you save it to your new list, and you just make a list. And then after you make your list, go to Takeouts. Bet you never heard of that before. You can download all your data. Go down here, ignore all this over here. You want to ignore this. It's not map. Those are my maps. You want to do this one right here, save. So I forgot to unselect everything. First, deselect everything, and then go all the way down here, and you just want to do saved. And next step, and export once. Oh, link. Okay, yeah, that'll work. Zip file, create export. I'm not going to do it, but create an export, and then you get your CSVs, and they're going to be the same name as what you named it, your list name. And then this is why we have this here, Google Takeout CSVs. It already knows the format for it and everything. So you could upload that here. But anyway, let's go back to what we're doing. So a little aside, if you want to map something out in the field, you don't need any fancy application, man. Google has you covered.